Good morning, my dear children. I am Jayanti, your science teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Do you remember what did we learn in previous class? I hope you remember. In previous class, we learned about nutrients in food and its functions. Did you complete your homework? I hope you all are completed your homework and study the topic nutrients in food. Now tell me, what is nutrients? I hope you all are answering. Let me say, nutrients are components found in our food that keep us healthy. Nutrients are the things in our food that keep us healthy. All kinds of food have some nutrients. How many types of nutrients are there? Yes, there are 5 main nutrients in our food. Do you remember what are the 5 main nutrients? I hope you remember. The 5 main nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. What are the functions of nutrients? What is the function of carbohydrates and fats? It gives us energy. Function of proteins? Proteins help us to grow. Which nutrient helps to become strong? Yes, proteins help us to become strong. What is the function of vitamins and minerals? It helps to fight with diseases. These all are the topics we learned in previous class. Now we will start our today's class. Why do you think your parents ask you to eat more fruits and vegetables? Have your parents ever told you not to eat sweets and chocolates? Yes, all parents told you not to eat sweets and chocolates. Do you know why? Too much of sweets and chocolates can make us obese and it is unhealthy because they are rich in fats. But fruits and vegetables give us minerals and vitamins that protect us from diseases. So, today our aim is plan a balanced diet with the help of food pyramid. What is a balanced diet? Some of you tell that it is a food plan, and some of you tell that getting the right amount of nutrient in a food. Now, let me say, a balanced diet is a food plan that gives us all the nutrients found in food in correct proportions. A balanced diet is a food plan that gives us all the nutrients found in food in correct proportions. Next, What is a food pyramid? A food pyramid tells us how much food from each group we should eat to have a balanced diet. A food pyramid tells us how much food from each group we should eat to have a balanced diet. The healthy eating pyramid is a simple visual guide to the types and proportion of foods that we should eat every day for good health. A food pyramid shows how much food from each group we should eat to have a balanced diet. It shows the amount of food to be eaten from each group. A food pyramid contains all the food groups such as cereals and grains, fruits and vegetables, meat, milk products, etc. As we learned in the previous class, cereals and grains contains more carbohydrates. The carbohydrates gives us energy. So cereals and grains, bread or comes under the bottom of the pyramid. Next, fruits and vegetables. It contains more vitamins and minerals. So we take more fruits and vegetables in our food. Next, milk products, egg, meat and pulses. These all are the foods that helps to grow and become strong. Next, oil, sweets and chocolates. Oil, sweets and chocolates are contains more fats. So it can make us obese and it is also unhealthy for our body. So it comes on top of the pyramid. We should eat more of the things at the bottom of the food pyramid, such as whole grains, fruits and vegetables. We should eat less of the things at the top of the food pyramid. This include foods such as butter, fried products, etc. Now take your workbook, open the page 14, S3 and look at the food pyramid. Now take your notebook and draw a chart like this. Now put the video in pause and prepare a balanced diet for yourself using the food pyramid. Write the names and proportion of food. You can also draw pictures of the food that you want to include in the balanced diet. I hope you all done the chart. Now see this chart. Some of you do the chart like this. Do you think is it a balanced diet? No, it contains less amount of cereals and grains. Now see this chart. Is this a balanced diet? Do you think? I don't think. There is very less amount of vegetables are there. So it is not a balanced diet. Okay, now let's see my chart. It contains equal amount of cereals and grains, fruits and vegetables, and very less amount of fats such as oil, sweets. It is a balanced diet. Now compare your chart with this chart as in video and check that you prepare the balanced diet correctly. I hope you all are prepared a balanced diet chart. Next, how did you plan a balanced diet? Already we prepared a food pyramid. A food pyramid helps to plan the balanced diet. The balanced diet has foods from all the food groups and gives us all the nutrients in the required quantity. A balanced diet has foods from all the food groups and gives us all the nutrients in the required quantity. Now tell me, which nutrient should we eat the most? Some of you tell that carbohydrates, some of you tell proteins. Let me say, a balanced diet has more carbohydrates as they give us energy to do work. Like that, fruits and vegetables has more vitamins and minerals. It helps us to fight with diseases. We should eat less sweets, fats and oil because it makes us obese. Why should we eat less fat? Why should we eat less fat? Yes, because it makes us obese and also it is unhealthy to our body. So we should eat less sweets, fats and oil. Do you eat a balanced diet? Okay. We need to eat almost an equal amount of fruit, vegetables, pulses, milk products and meat because they give us minerals, vitamins and proteins. These all are give us energy. Next, Heart's question. Is the balanced diet plan the same for everyone? Is the balanced diet plan the same for everyone? Some of you say that same for everyone, and some of you say that not the same for everyone. Let me say, a balanced diet plan is not the same for everyone. It changes with age. We may need one type of nutrients in more quantity than the others. If you are weak and thin, doctors might advise you to have more of fats and carbohydrates. If you are overweight, doctors might advise you have to reduce fats in your food. Next, practice questions. In your content book, the 6th and 7th questions are your today's homework. The first question is, what is a balanced diet? What is a balanced diet? Next is, draw the healthy food pyramid. Draw the healthy food pyramid. Do the practice questions in your notebooks. Next, worksheet questions. First question is, look at the food pyramid and answer the questions. In your workbook, page number 14, in S3, balanced diet and food pyramid, look at the pyramid and answer the questions. The question is, which food group should we eat more? Which food group should we eat more? As we discussed, we should eat more of the things at the bottom of the food pyramid. So, look at the food pyramid and write the food group which should we eat more. Next is, which food group should we eat less? Next, which food group should we eat less? We should eat less of the things at the top of the food pyramid. So, look at the food pyramid carefully and write the answer for the question, which food group should we eat less? Next question is, Rahim is overweight and wants to have less carbohydrates in his diet. Plan a balanced diet for him. There is a table, meal of the day and food and its servings. The table already filled with breakfast. You need to fill the lunch and dinner and its servings. Next question is, Raji is thin. How will a balanced diet for Raji be different from that of Rahim? What do we do when we are weak and thin? Yes, we need to take more of fats and carbohydrates. Today's bonus question is, which is a food plan covering the main food groups in correct proportions? Which is a food plan covering the main food groups in correct proportions? Don't forget to do the bonus question in your online exam section. And note it down your homework in your planner. Don't forget to get a sign from your parents. Today's class has completed. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.